How to block text messages on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messages application on your device, and further, go ahead and open the person or the individual or the conversation that you want to block. Once open, tap on their profile icon on top of your screen, and here you will see the option for info. So tap on the info option you see there, and you will then see the option for block caller. So tap on the block caller option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on the block contact option, and with this, text messages along with calls from that particular individual will be blocked. Additionally, if you want to block unknown callers or silent them, then go ahead and open Settings on your device and then scroll down to the bottom. You will see the option for apps. Tap on it and scroll down and then tap on the Messages option you see there. Now, in this particular interface, scroll down and you will see the option for Filter Unknown Senders. So go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for Filter Unknown Senders, and with this, it will sort messages from people who are not in your contacts into a separate list. So this was about how you can block text messages on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.